Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Take out your book of social studies. Today we are going to continue chapter number 12, that is disaster management. The objective of today's video is to know about earthquakes and cyclones as natural disasters. Students, let us discuss terms now. So the first is earthquake, sudden shake of the earth. Next is seismograph, means an instrument to measure the frequency of an earthquake. Next is seismology, means the study of earthquakes. Next is cyclone, means a very strong wind accompanied by heavy rain. Next is epicenter, means the point directly above the focus is called epicenter. Now students, open page number 81 of your book. Earthquake. Earthquake is the shaking of the ground caused by the sudden breaking movement deep inside the earth. This movement causes a strong vibration. This vibration or tremor is called an earthquake. This occurs without any warning and so causes a lot of destruction. Students, sudden means quick. Vibration means shaking. Tremor means trembling. And destruction means damage. The sudden shake of the earth is called an earthquake, or we can say that the shaking of the earth's surface is called an earthquake. Natural disasters occur without any warning. These cause a lot of damage or destruction. Earthquakes are usually caused when rocks underground the earth suddenly break along a fault. This sudden release of energy that makes the ground shake. The study of earthquakes is called seismology. The tremor is measured and recorded by a seismograph. The seismograph is an instrument which records the intensity and duration of an earthquake. The intensity of an earthquake is measured in Richter scale. Students, instrument means tool. Intensity means strength. Seismology is the scientific study of earthquakes. The vibration is measured and recorded by a seismograph. Students, you can see the picture. It is an instrument to measure the frequency of an earthquake. It also records the duration of earthquakes. Students, this is Richter scale. Each level indicates 10 times the amount of shaking and 33 times the amount of energy. The strength, or we can say that intensity of an earthquake is measured through Richter scale. Now students, concentrate on the point preparedness. First, move out of the building quickly to an open area. Second, if not able to run out, take shelter under a heavy table. Next, do not enter any building even after the tremor stops, for the damaged portion may fall later due to aftershocks. Students, quickly means very fast. During earthquakes, you should step out from your houses and working places and go to an open area so that any building may not fall on you. If it is difficult to move out from any building, then take shelter under a heavy table. This step will help to make you safe. Fourth, do not use the lift during or soon after the earthquake. Fifth, keep away from windows, signboards, electric wires, and shelves. We should construct buildings with suitable materials that can survive earthquakes. Students, signboards means boards displaying the name or logo of something. Survive means live. Do not enter in any building even after the earthquake stops, because damaged portion of the building may fall later or after an earthquake. Try to avoid the use of lift. You may strike in that. So, always prefer steps to lift during an earthquake. Things like signboards, shelves, windows, doors, electric wires, utensils, etc. may fall on you during an earthquake. So, it is very important to stay away from such things during an earthquake. A ductile building is able to bend and flex when exposed to an earthquake. A concrete building is easy to break during an earthquake. So, we should prefer ductile building to concrete building. Moreover, we should use such material which can survive during an earthquake like steel, wood, etc. Now, let us discuss about cyclone. A cyclone is a very strong wind accompanied by very heavy rain. These strong winds cause high waves in the sea. These waves enter the land and cause floods. Hence, the coastal areas are the most affected during cyclones. In India, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Tamil Nadu are some of the states hit by cyclone quite often. A cyclone is very strong wind with heavy rainfall. The cyclones are irregular wind movements involving closed air circulation around a low pressure center. These cause high waves in the sea. If these waves enter the land, they may cause floods. These violent storms, accompanied by rain, thunder, and lightning, are capable to destroy normal life and cause a lot of destruction of life and property. The coastal areas are the most affected areas during cyclones. In India, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Tamil Nadu are the states where cyclones are quite often. Now, let us talk about precaution. First, with the advanced forecasting system, cyclones can be predicted and warned well ahead. Second, we should listen to the radio and watch television for weather forecast and warnings. Third, people living closer to the coast should move to a safer place. Fourth, fishermen should not go to sea. Students, forecasting means predicting. With the use of satellites and radars, cyclones can be predicted. Advanced forecasting system can issue news related to cyclones in advance. We should stay in touch with media through newspapers, television, radio, etc. so that we can get warnings related to such natural disasters in advance. People who are living near coastal areas should move to a safer place as soon as possible. Otherwise, they can risk their lives in danger. Fishermen should not go near the sea because it may be risky for them. Government and non-governmental organizations take care of those affected by cyclone. Relief camps are set up and doctors are posted to check for any outburst of diseases. Food, drinking water, and medicines are provided to the affected. Students, relief camps are camps for providing aid, food, medicine, and other necessary things to people, especially during war, natural disaster, etc. Both government and non governmental organizations take care of the people who affected during cyclones. Non governmental organizations like Khalsa Aid have faster response to situations because it does not need to clear paperwork before taking action. During such critical situations, camps are set up to provide food, drinking water, medicines, medical facility, and other such important things to affected people. Now, students, today we have discussed about two major natural disasters that are earthquake and cyclone. I hope today's lesson is quite clear to you. Now, your homework is revise the chapter and terms that we have discussed today. Do question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of exercise E and question number 3 of exercise F given at page number 86 of your book on copies.